Monochords combine beautifully with other monochords and other tunings. If you're shopping around for a monochord, you may wish for a second one at some point. Or maybe you already have a monochord and you're looking for your second one. So briefly, I'm going to play them in different combinations so you can hear how they sound. It's also wonderful to get a little Monolini companion instrument to your Monolina because these are more compact and you can create different note combinations playing them together. They come in all the same flavors, all the same tuning. This is the C, this is the A. And this is what the A and the C sound like together. It's a little bit dissonant, kind of yurting. These are the two higher instruments. They're a little close together, and this creates more of a mournful quality. It could be nice in passing if you had a lot of instruments, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend these two together if you only had two, or you could play them separately, but together maybe for not so long. The C and the G, though, sound a lot more consonant. The F also sounds really nice with the C. Your 5 strings on the bottom, your 5th interval, is the C, which matches the higher C of the C instrument. And then you have G against F, which creates a little interval of a second. So there's a little bit of jazz in this combo. Nice. Now we have the C and the D. So this is a nice range of very high to very low. This is our highest instrument and our lowest instrument. But it's also a little bit more dissonant because you have the C against the D. That is an interval of a second. And it's a much more dissonant interval. So that probably wouldn't be a combination I would play together for very long. No, it is interesting. A and G. Interesting. A and F together. Also a little bit melancholy. This is the D together with the A. This is a really nice combo. The A, as you remember, has the higher steel strings, and the D has the lower braided strings. So you have a nice wider range of high and low when you play these two monochords together. F and the G. Now these two are a little bit too close together, so it's more of a dissonant sound because there's not enough space. So you could combine these to create some cool sound effects. But if you were playing for meditation, you'd probably want them to be further apart. Here I have the D and the F. The F is on the higher youth stand, so you can see there are different heights of the stands you can get. D, F. This is a more wistful combination. So you have to remember when you are adding two monochords together, you have the notes against each other as well as the fifths against each other. So that often creates some jazzier combinations. But you can also just single out the overtone strings to play together. Here I have now the G and the D. This is a really nice combination too. It's a little bit more consonant than the F and the D. Yeah, this is really nice. So you've got the nice mid-range of the G and the lower D. So the best combinations are when there is a little bit of space. I love the C and the F together, the D and the A, the G and the D, and the C and the G. All of those sound really great together. I hope this was helpful for you. If you need further help, please don't hesitate to reach out through the website. We Play Well Together, and we can help coach you to get the best monochord for you. And if you're just happening upon this video, put in the comments what your favorite monochord combination is. We would love to know.